Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, we've been putting together this little e-commerce site using the free Elementor plugin, which is absolutely fantastic. Let's create a privacy policy page today. A lot of things have to be GDPR or GDPR compliant nowadays. So let's add a privacy policy that follows those guidelines. I found a free one online and I'll put this link below the video. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is add a new page. I'm going up to plus, page. I'm going to call it privacy policy. And I'm going to edit it with the Elementor. Because we're using Elementor, we want to go to page attributes and use the Elementor full width so we can make use of the whole width of the screen here. So I've done that, and now I'm going to edit with Elementor. Okay, once loaded, first thing I want to do is put our page header that we created in there. So let's go to this little file box here, My Templates. And there it is. And I'm just going to insert that. I'm going to say no to the styles. It doesn't matter for this one because it's the same site. And there it is. And I just need to change that to privacy policy. Great. Now down below we can get rid of this module right here, which looks like a shop module or something. And I want to go to my matrix. I'm just going to insert a text module, text editor right here. I'm going to pull it across, drop it in there. Now I'm going to go to the privacy policy, the free privacy policy right here. I'm going to copy it all and paste it in. Now you want to look through this. It's pretty generic and you want to put your site names in where they've got their site names in. There's not much to update. This is not legally binding, but it is a good start for a privacy policy for your site. And there we have it. Control C to copy. And let's just select Control A and paste everything in there. There we go. Now I want a bit of a border. I don't want this full width. We're looking like our section here is full width at the moment. So I'm going to go into the section. I'm going to say stretch selection no. Content width. I want the content width to be boxed. There we go. And just to make it a little more interesting, see that's where we need to put our website name in. So we'll say we'll put our own website name in there. And of course you can link it to the website itself if you want to, which seems a little over the top seeing as they're actually on the website itself. Just copy my URL and just put that in there. There we go. Okay, and we've got all this lovely information here, which is fine. I just want to decorate the background a little bit to make it slightly more interesting. So let's go to our section right here, the big blue tab in the middle. Make sure we're on Edit Section. You can go onto Style, and I'm just going to put a shape divider behind there. For the top, let's find something. Let's put in the mountains, that's fine. So let's take the height up to pretty big, and if we look at this page, I want it to go about halfway down the page, so let's make it maybe, let's try 1500 pixels. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. I'm going to take the opacity of the color down a bit so we can read our text a little bit better. Just want a little something in the background there. There we go. I want it so we can see the actual background, but we can read the text absolutely fine too. And on the bottom I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to do it in red. So here's the bottom. Again, I'm going to get the mountains. I'm going to make them red. Take that opacity all the way down again. Something like that. It's pretty subtle. And height wise, let's give it about 1500 or so. There we go. There's a bit of a gap in the middle. We could actually make that probably. And this one also, let's make the top one. There we go. So we've got a bit of a gap in the middle, but the rest of it's fine. So we've now got a privacy policy page. Let's publish. And we'll take a look. And here it is. Here's our privacy policy. I think that's perfectly legible. And that little background just gives it a little bit of interest value there. So there we go. There's our privacy policy page. I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and add it to our menu. To do that, let's go to our dashboard. We'll go down to Appearance and Menus. And here's our privacy policy page under the most recent. If you don't see it, you can just hit the View All tab. But most recent, we'll give it right at the top there. And let's add it to the menu. And that's absolutely fine. Let's save our menu. Go back to the site. There is our privacy policy page. Fantastic. So we've now got a GDPR privacy policy on our site. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.